guys, welcome back again. Could you guess what you're gonna learn from this lesson? It would help you a lot in making sentences. I hope you would enjoy it. What you're gonna learn today is present simple of be.
អ្វីដែលអ្នកនឹងរៀនថ្ងៃនេះគឺ present simple of be.
Here are some examples of be in the present simple.
នេះគឺជាឧទាហរណ៍មួយចំនួននៃ present simple of be.
This is my best friend.
នេះគឺជាមិត្តល្អបំផុតរបស់ខ្ញុំ
I'm a teacher.
ខ្ញុំជាគ្រូបង្រៀន
There are many novels on the table.
មានរឿងប្រឡំលោកជាច្រើននៅលើតុនេះ
We're from Cambodia.
យើងមកពីប្រទេសកម្ពុជា
How to form the present simple of be.
តើធ្វើដូចជំតិចដើម្បីបង្កើតទម្រង់ present simple of be.
We could write a sentence in the present simple of be either full form or short form as we want.
យើងអាចសរសេរប្រយោគមួយនៅក្នុងបច្ចុប្បន្នកាលធម្មតាដោយប្រើទម្រង់ពេញឬក៏ទម្រង់កាត់តាមដែលយើងចង់បាន
I am, I'm. You are, you're. He is, he's. She is, she's. It is, it's. We are, we're. You are, you're. They are, they're. We form the present simple of be in negative form by adding not after to be.
យើងបង្កើតទម្រង់ present simple ក្នុងទម្រង់អវិជ្ជមានដោយបន្ថែមពាក្យថាមិនមែន
I am not. I'm not. You are not. You aren't. He is not. He isn't. She is not. She isn't. It is not. It isn't. We are not. We aren't. You are not. You aren't. They are not. They aren't. When do we use the present simple of be?
តើនៅពេលណាដែលយើងប្រើបច្ចុប្បន្នកាលធម្មតា
Well, we use the present simple of be to talk 5 points. Point number 1, who we are.
ចំណុចទី1យើងជានរណា
Point number 2, weather.
ចំណុចទី2អំពីអាកាសធាតុ
Point number 3, time.
ចំណុចទី3អំពីពេលវេលា
Point number 4, places.
ចំណុចលេខ4អំពីកន្លែង
Point number 5, people's ages.
ចំណុចទី5អំពីអាយុរបស់មនុស្ស
Point number 1, who we are. I'm Sok.
ខ្ញុំគឺសុក
This is my friend, James.
នេះគឺជាមិត្តរបស់ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ James
Sarah is a teacher.
Sarah គឺជាគ្រូបង្រៀន
Point number 2, about the weather. It's a beautiful Monday.
វាជាថ្ងៃច័ន្ទដ៏ស្រស់ស្អាត
Today is hot.
ថ្ងៃនេះក្តៅណាស់
It's usually cold here.
ជាធម្មតាវាត្រជាក់នៅទីនេះ
Point 3, about the time. You are not late today.
អ្នកមិនយឺតទេថ្ងៃនេះ
It's 10 o'clock now.
ឥឡូវនេះម៉ោង10ហើយ
They are here at 8 o'clock.
ពួកគេនៅទីនេះនៅម៉ោង8
Point number 4, about places. They are in Phnom Penh.
ពួកគេនៅភ្នំពេញ
Mary isn't in living room.
ម៉ារីមិននៅក្នុងបន្ទប់ទទួលភ្ញៀវទេ
We are in the class.
យើងនៅក្នុងថ្នាក់
Point number 5, about people's ages. I'm 18 years old.
ខ្ញុំមានអាយុ18ឆ្នាំ
He's 7 months now.
ឥឡូវនេះគាត់មានរយៈពេល7ខែហើយ
His father is 60 years old.
ឪពុករបស់គាត់មានអាយុ60ឆ្នាំ